G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I've been invited down by OG Roberts Mt Gambier to drive the new ZB Commodore VXR. I'm currently in a VF SS Sportswagon, so I can sample some of the old before I sample the new. The Commodore is no longer made in Australia, it's actually made in Germany. So let's go compare the two after I've taken this for a little bit of a drive, and I'll speak more about the VXR when we get in it. So let's go down to OGR now, pick up the ZB and take it for a drive. So here we are in the new ZB VXR. First impressions, beautiful place to be. All the finishings on the steering wheel, real comfortable. Yeah. So let's start her up and take it for a drive. The new ZB comes in 3 different engine options: a 2-litre turbo petrol, a 2-litre turbo diesel, or what the VXR has, which is a 3.6-litre naturally aspirated V6. It delivers 235 kilowatts and 381 newton meters of torque to all 4 wheels through a 9-speed sports automatic. So after driving the VXR for a while now, all I can say is it's absolutely beautiful to drive. Really sticks to the road around the corners. It's just, as far as handling goes, it's leaps and bounds above the VF. It's not going to have the power of a V8, but never was meant to. It's all about driving this car. So I'm back at OGR's now after taking the VXR for a ride. Beautiful car to drive, even nicer interior to be inside. The finishes inside are leaps and bounds above the VF, and the VF was a nice car to be in. I'd really like to thank OGRs for letting me take it for a drive today. It's been a real pleasure, and I hope to deal with them more in the future. So if you're thinking about coming down and buying a new ZB Commodore, come down and see the guys here. They're super friendly, and hopefully they can cut you a deal. But like I said, thanks to OGR, and I hope to see you next video. But please like and subscribe to my channel and this video, and I really appreciate it. Thanks guys, catch you later. Bye.